Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Today we've got something a little bit different because obviously I'm going to be doing a break up until the 7th of November, just to have that little bit of break between Halloween and obviously bonfire night, and then we're going to start the fireworks diamond painting on the 7th of November. Or it might, yeah, the 7th. Today I have a Amazon unboxing. I was on Amazon last night, as you do, watching EastEnders and browsing on your phone for something you can buy. And I just put in $2.99 diamond paintings. And this is what come up. And I couldn't believe the price of it. And this actually came through Raw Mail. And, oh yeah, it's another flat one. Any guesses what you think it could be? So this was $2.99. Again, the presentation looks great. See if I can get into it. But can you see? Oh, look how gorgeous that is. This was $2.99. You can see there's like a tassel bit here. I love it when they pack them like this. But as you can see, I literally, as I said, I put $2.99 in the search bar, and this is what came up. And it was for next day as well. So, oh, these are nice. Drills are okay. Okay, interesting. It's come as like a H shape. I think this is one of your 1K. Oh, that's nice. We've actually got high-tech tweezers for once. They don't normally include tweezers in these packs. It's normally just the boat, wax, bags and pen. But we've actually got tweezers in this one. So I'll probably send them to some of my friends in the parkwork industry. But these are the drills that we've got. So they seem to be coming in 2 batches. Let's have a look here. So they're obviously in 2 batches here. So we'll undo that. See what we got. And I've actually got another painting coming today. So actually 2. One's coming like during the day, and then one's on the same day slot between 5 and 10. But these are our colours. So lots of pale sort of colours there. Yellows, oranges. That's a pale yellow, as you can see, and then you've got a much vibrant one. But there's a lot of orange in this. A lot of pinks, blacks, browns, green. That's pretty nice. So put that to one side. And then we've also got this one here. I actually placed an order with Fancels last night. There's this Paddington Bear I want. And yeah, I ordered it last night. And they're so cheap. It was like £3. And then I got another 2. I've got a Pirates of the Caribbean theme. And I've also got like a red bird. So they emailed me it. Because they always email me, and I was like, oh, got to get that. So that'll come from China, so it'll be a while yet before we do that. But as you can see, some lovely minty sort of colours here. Sailor blue or something. But oh yeah, look at this. Oh wow, that's lovely. So you've got teal, T-A-L. You've probably got turquoise there. And we've also got ourselves some darks, Forestry Army green there. And then ones. But let's take a look at the painting itself. As I said, this was $2.99, an absolute bargain. And yeah, that is that. So as you can see, it's a 30x40 there. It's a really lovely colour. I like the fact that it goes like it's multicoloured. So you've got like, you know, that Neapolitan ice cream that you can get where it's pink, yellow and brown. This is sort of how it's doing. So you've got the pink, you've got the yellow of the sunset, and just this vibrant blue down the bottom here. And it's almost like it's been shot behind this rainbow of colour. But this is gorgeous. It's a 30x40. You've got on here 30 colours. And this is my mission. I want to try and get diamond paintings under £5, between £3 and £5 at the max. It just goes to show that there are some out there that sell them for like £3, which is brilliant. Which is, I think, the standard sort of price for this. So if you do like what you see, I think what's most impressive about this is the fact that they've included tweezers. Because they don't crop up very often in these kits. As I said, you only seem to get like the boats, the wax and the bags and that. But yeah, wow. So I'm really impressed with that. Absolutely beautiful. Coming up tomorrow on the channel, there'll be another unboxing video. And the day after that will be another unboxing video, because obviously we need to, I'm having a bit of a break before we start the main painting again of the theme. But yeah, some surprises along the way there, but this is an absolute beauty. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Again, it's something different, not animals. I'm trying to steer away from animals. I do an awfully awful lot of animals. So I do love my flowers though. I do have an orchid that I got last year. So I do love my flowers, but I saw this and I was like, oh, and they had 58 minutes to order it for next day, and I was like, yes. And then when they said it was like warm, I was like, oh no, please come on time, because of the strikes and that. But it's so gorgeous, and then the way it's just been packed, it's nice that they pack it like that, because you can see there's not, you've got the crease there, but there's not creases, you know, every far up. But anyway, please remember to like, share and subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and I'll see you next time for another unboxing video. Bye guys.